Alrighty, 360-degree tour of Lightning Ridge in 2020, not 1988.
No, something you definitely wouldn't have been able to do back in 1988.
No. I suppose you could have got like 4 Sony video camcorders and welded them together into some sort of cube configuration and
spun them quickly.
Yeah, that would work. So directly ahead you'll see a stop sign. Apparently we have one of those. There's only about 4 in town, so that's fun. Dooley Drain to the left.
What street are we on now? Is this Copi Street?
This is Brilliant Street.
Brilliant Street, right. It's the only one in town I never remember. Wouldn't think I even live here.
Main Street. On the right is the Opal Cave. On the left is the post office and real estate agent and stuff. Used to be Jolly's clothing store.
Tourist Information Centre at the time, the Opal Bin.
Yep, correct.
Bank is new. News agency is new there now. Triple gas. Alright. No pub.
Alright. Centre of town where the Diggers Rest Hotel used to be. Now isn't.
Opal and Marilla Street.
Indeed. Courthouse on the left. Police station coming up on the left. That was brand new in 88 and it's still holding up.
Still looks good.
Now, this is the part in the 1988 video that we can't recreate accurately because it would require driving through a building. So this green fence here is where they drove through the car park of the bowling club, which is now Bowling Green and various things. Not conducive to driving a car through.
Sports grounds.
Sports ground.
Still haven't changed. Race course, unchanged.
Largely. It's very green at the moment. You'll notice the sports grounds are looking quite healthy. Quite a bit of rain lately. It's good to see. So this was not part of the tour, but continue along here into the bowling club car park. So we actually came through the back of the bowling club car park over behind the building, but we're going to pretend that we came through here. Hey, Toffee! And we're going to go back out again.
They have a sign. Which
They do.
was also pointed out in the video by your father, I think.
It was.
Asking if there was a sign on the club here.
The sign at the top of the bowling club is the same sign.
Yeah, it's still the same one.
Exactly the same sign. It's never been replaced. So it's a 32-year-old sign.
It's historic.
Mm-hmm.
It's an antique.
It's a relic.
Telecom tower on the left.
Yep.
New bottle-o section of the club on the right. It's all new.
Nice. I'm learning.
The other left.
Down past the tennis netball.
Yeah, faux tennis courts, which have always been netball courts.
I remember taking some lightning photos in there once. They were not good photos.
Once upon a time, when we got storms. Cricket ground, football field, soccer field.
Very green.
Looking good.
Back of the Crocodile Caravan Park.
Yeah, it's somewhat different today. All the new cabins.
I'm not going to drive in there for a third time. We've done this tour a few times in order to get all this footage, so I'll just stick to the road this time. But there's the Caltex on the left, which was an Ampol in 88.
That's what it is.
Lost Sea Opals on the corner.
Yeah, they're all new. They were all it was old hardware back then, I think.
Yeah, it was. It was a stock and station agent.
Yep.
I remember that. Historical Society, Tram Motel on the right.
Tram Motel.
Now Chase and Opal Holiday Cabins. The Australian Opal Centre and Church on the left. Now we're coming up on the
Pharmacy.
Wollongullo Motel. Probably one of the most interesting parts of the whole video was this section on the left here. all changed now.
Yeah, it's all different now. Memorial Hall, fire station, library, and the old church.
Mm-hmm.
Somewhat different.
And we're going to do a U-turn on the main street again. I wonder if anyone's noticed.
Possibly not.
It's that car again. What's it doing? Are they lost? You have no idea. Is that a pub?
It was.
It's not a pub anymore. Empty space where a pub used to be. Oh, that's a camper van and a half.
Yeah, a young guy driving it. It's Peter. That's the old co-op supermarket.
Yep. That's now just a service station.
I don't know what would have been on that side at that stage. Just the bus stop, cafe.
Cottage Industries.
Cottage Industries.
That little blue shack
That's
with
right.
the dry puddler out the front.
And this would have been the SIS Centre.
SIS Centre, that was here, yeah.
Yeah. The IGA was here.
Mhm.
Carnes was there. Bush nurse on the left.
Yep.
Ambulance, SES rescue, and fire station on the right.
All of your emergency services in one convenient location.
New hospital being built on the left. Extension of the current one.
Quite impressive.
Everything on the right still the same.
Yeah, this street hasn't changed apart from the...
Home care services, that's all new.
Yep.
Or new, I say 10 years. Yeah, now pushing 10 years.
Relatively new.
Yeah.
All of the swimming and aquatic biz on the left is all new.
Yeah, library, arts and crafts, gym, diving centre.
Yep.
It's all new.
On the Gem Street. Gigantic speed bumps for maximum pedestrian protection. People with Volvos.
I don't think anything's changed along these streets, is it?
Not really.
Nothing's changed, still the same.
Gem Street's a couple of houses have come and gone, but largely similar.
Was the vet here at that stage?
I don't know, actually. No, not sure.
School Street, still School Street. Drive-in theatre. Previous locale. Matrix Street.
Yep. Hard to remember a lot of specific things when you were 7. Coming up on... this is Brilliant Street? Other end of Brilliant Street.
Other end of Brilliant Street, yep.
So where the broken down Holden was.
Zoom.
Very shortly, kids in karate outfits.
Yeah.
For no apparent reason. Some little kid dressed as Ryu from Street Fighter. Hadouken!
Before Street Fighter was a thing, I think 88.
Yep.
Just been prior.
Yeah, time traveller.
New house on the right, Little Diggers on the right, childcare.
Yeah.
School. Tape everything all pretty new.
School is massive and expanded from what it used to be, and I'm actually going that way. Thank you. And we're back at the bowling club.
Back to where we started.
Back at the back of the bowling club. That's it. That's Lightning Ridge in 360 degrees. 360 degrees of separation.
Beautiful.
Yep. Cool.
Right.
Come back next time for less of this.